In this box is a first for me. It's a type of shoe that I've never owned before. My go-to shoe over the last few years has been the Nike Air Max 90. I've done a video on it before, so check that out. The Nike Air Force 1. It's a white pair. It's a unique style, so I'm gonna unbox it and see how it looks. G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yes, as mentioned, the Nike Air Force 1 in here, white pair. Over the last 4 years, I've been wearing Nike Air Max 90s. So this is a step away from that. These, you would have seen these all over the place. So let's just get into the unboxing and then I'll try it on for you guys with a few different type of pants.
Okay, so this is the box. Look at that, straight off the bat, they're so white. Look how white they are. And that is the design. So the actual name of these sneakers are the Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8. Leather upper, white with black accents. The main feature you can see is the branded loop tag details all through the lace up front. They've got a padded collar for comfort and secure fit. Full length PU midsole and cushioning air sole unit. Rubber outsole with pivot point for traction and durability. Nike Air branding to heel, counter, double branding there as you can see, and they're a 3.5 centimeter platform sole.
All right, first impression. Wow, they're really white. I don't know if you can see how white they are. I've got the light on, so I think you can. And they've got this unique feature up the toe of the shoe. And I guess they're really chunky, a lot chunkier than the Air Max 90s, and they feel a bit heavier as well. So I'm not really expecting them to be as comfortable as the Air Max 90s, but they definitely look very stylish. So I'm gonna try them on and you guys can be the judge. And another unique feature, they've got the double branding on the back, and obviously this is very unique as well. So that is the Nike Air Force 1s. To show you the underside as well. Need a pair of sunglasses to stare at these. All right, let's go try them on. Okay, so I'm just gonna try them on first with these khaki pants that I've got. Yeah, and as I mentioned, they're definitely not as bouncy or have as much support in the heel compared to the Nike Air Max 90s, but that's expected. These are more casual shoes and more to get for fashion. One more thing to mention is they do have quite a solid heel, so I feel like it does give me a bit of height. But that is what they look like with these color pants. So I'll switch up my pants and let you see what they look like with different colored pants. All right, so that is what they look like with some light colored jeans. Looks pretty good. That's what it looks like with black track pants. That looks pretty good as well. I like the contrast. What do you guys think of that look? And lastly, this is me wearing them with some khaki joggers. Also looks pretty good to me. Really good street style, I reckon. So what do you guys think of that look? And just to show you the size that I got, 10 US, and they're about 170 Australian dollars. I had a $25 off deal, so 145 AUD is what I paid. All right, that is my unboxing and review of the Nike Air Force Ones. What do you guys think of this style of shoe, this color? I haven't had a white pair of shoes in a while. I used to wear Nike Cortez, a white pair of Nike Cortez. This is definitely the first Nikes I've ever owned that are basically all white. So I'm gonna have to treat it with some sort of waterproofer, and I'm pretty sure you can clean these if they get any spot dirt or anything. But yeah, definitely not as resilient as the black shoes I've been wearing lately. Do you think these are cool shoes? Do you own them? Do you want to own them? Let me know any questions as well. That will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.